Being able to help build the community that I grew up in is a big part. I mean, that's why we're here. I mean, you know, we got roots here and family here, and we really enjoy working for the community. My name is Tom Kindred. I own Kindred Concrete out of Bloomington, Illinois. We do foundations, flat work, and excavating in McLean County, Central Illinois. And we've been doing it for almost 3 years now. And prior to that, I worked for the company we bought, Tolan's Excavating. They were doing it for over 40 years. And then Tom called me one day. We'd been friends and worked together previously at Tolan's and became best friends there and kind of like brothers, and said he was thinking about buying Tolan's Excavating. He said, really liked you to come and help me run it. I said, absolutely, I would love to work with you. Equipment that we bought with the business was 20 years old. It's case equipment, and it's just getting to the point where we were spending a bunch fixing old equipment. And we were talking about looking and figuring something else out to run, and just so happened Brian knocked on the door one day and introduced himself.
My name is Brian Gowdy. I'm a machine sales rep for Outdoor for Cat, and I love my job. I first met Tom and Barry through a cold call, believe it or not. I heard in town that Kindred Concrete was pumping out some fantastic work. They had a highly reputable crew. Their pipeline was always full, but they were working with some aged and outdated machines, so I thought these are the kind of guys that I'd love to partner with.
I tried calling a couple other guys just, you know, to price shop around, and I couldn't get a salesman from anybody else to really show the focus that Brian did. I mean, Brian stopped in. If we had a question, we called, and he came and explained everything with the machines to us, from the 317, the 299, the 259, the 306 Mini, how everything would work and the setup. And we even went over and set equipment over in Peoria at the Altoffer store, and got to run it over there, and it's just great equipment.
Well, for us, it was the attention to detail. It's instantly, with any question, any concern, any comment we had, it was answered or taken care of immediately. We can't afford downtime. If the machine's not operating, they get it taken care of. Service guys there immediately, and it's been an extreme change from what we had before.
And I just wanted to know, what do you expect out of a dealership? What can I do to support you along the way? So that's really how it began. Over time, we had several conversations, and we just basically deducted that the Cat 259, the 299, the 306, and the 317 were going to work perfectly for his tight spaces and the amount of work he wanted to get done.
The 259 and the 317 are on the jobs when we're digging the holes for the foundation, for the excavating part of it, for moving the dirt, placing the rock and digging. We have another 259 that goes around, rocks footing tile around the foundation once the foundation's in the ground, and it does the backfilling with the dirt around the foundation. Working in the dirt with the Cat equipment, the hydraulic power that they have is phenomenal compared to any other machine that I have ran. The fact that this 317 behind me here, it can shoot its grade for us. It saves the operator getting in and out of the machine shooting his grade, or me having to have another guy there on site to shoot grade for him while we're digging. Helps speed up the process. Really enjoy working with equipment, and this Cat equipment's about the best that I can find or use in my career.